Hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So today I'm going to tell you a few tricks of the actual Apple Watch, whether it's the Ultra or the not Ultra. So basically here you can see we've got the Do Not Disturb actual button, but basically if you want to put it automatically and for it to stay forever, as you can see it says reduce interruptions. Here you can see until evening, until I leave home, and it's pretty much amazing the until I leave home, because basically every time you leave home it will automatically disconnect the actual do not disturb, and I think that's just pretty much amazing that an Apple Watch can do this. Okay, so as always, remember that if you click the lower power mode, automatically it will deactivate a few things, such as what I'm going to show you right here. But basically it's Wi-Fi, it's your actual monitorization of your cardiac output in general. All the monitorizations you can think of, it will stop monitorizing themselves, so you can actually lower the actual amount of battery you use. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments.